Hello everyone, welcome back to Sharp Minds HQ, your number one spot for educational tips and student guides.
That's right, I am Wani Jessica.
And I am Bright Yusuf, and today we'll be teaching you the different steps and procedures of accepting your admission on your JAMB portal.
First of all, congratulations if you have been offered admission. That's a big step. But the thing is that most students don't know that you must accept your admission on the JAMB portal before it becomes valid.
Exactly. This period is very important because many institutions are granting admissions and many are about to start. If you are a prospective candidate, you will need to understand the procedure so that you will not miss out on this admission session.
Well said. That's why today we are breaking down the processes for you step by step. It is simple but very crucial.
Alright, let's go step by step. Step 1. You will need to log on to your JAMB portal.
Step 2. Log in using your email address and password, the same one you used during your JAMB registration.
On your dashboard, you will see an option for check admission status. Click on that.
Step 4. Select your exam year. Type your JAMB registration number and click on Access My CAPS.
Now step 5. On your CAPS page, check admission status tab. If you've been offered an admission, you will know right there.
Finally, step 6. You click on Accept Admission if you are happy with it. But if you don't want it, you can click on Reject Admission. But be careful before rejecting.
Quick tip, always make sure you use a laptop or a desktop because most times mobile devices hide some options.
And also, don't forget to regularly check your CAPS. Admission updates can come at any time, so stay alert.
And that is it. Simple and straightforward. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe on this video for more helpful guides.
We hope this guide helped you accept your admission without stress. Congratulations once again to all admitted students. And if you have any question, drop them on the comment section. We will be glad to help.
See you next time.